Okay, I guess this is it. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. It's been a while since I've got that precise on something. This particular cylinder head belongs to a man named Mike Nadal. He races a boat. This is a top alcohol boat. I've been doing heads for him since 1996 and produced a few winners. This is his latest engine combination. He is a privateer, so he has to stay, unfortunately, 5 or 6 years, one generation behind. But he's been pretty happy with my work because I'm able to get him reasonably close, believe it or not, you know, with some of the state-of-the-art stuff by modding the port like I do. Well, without further ado, let's see if I got this right. What? That paint just ain't working real well. I was looking for some other stuff that I had that was a real bright paint like that, but I'm not finding what I want. So I'm just going to try some regular red engine paint. I think it's safe to say this is going to work pretty good unless it messes up my vacuum cleaner, but wet and dry vacs are very forgiving. You can see it does leave red on the inside of the header tube. It does not matter. I got a little bit of overspray right there. Up underneath the ports, I know I'm getting some kind of contact because it's turning orange here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish these other tubes up, and then I'll get with you when I show you exactly how this is affected. You can see the red on the header tube. Got a little bit of overspray on the bottom, but that wipes off pretty good. So anyway, we'll check back with us in a few minutes here. Okay?